So in this video I'm going to show you how to complete offers that are giving extra winnings paid as cash. So you can see that BetEasy are paying double winnings on the pies versus tigers, and this is normally up to a certain stake. I think my stake will probably be 10, but some people's is higher. I've seen people with like $25 stake. So we'll get the market up. So with this method, we're basically just going to back and then lay and then hope our team wins and we get the extra winnings. If our team doesn't win, we'll just get a small qualifying loss. So when I'm doing this method, what I normally do is bet on the team with the lower odds because there's a higher chance of them winning. Even though you're going to make less money, it's better to win a small amount of money than not win any money at all. So I'm going to bet on Richmond. So what we'll do is we'll get the back odds, which is 1.55, and then the lay odds at Betfair, which is 1.6. So then we go over to the layback calculator. We're going to do a qualifying bet as we're qualifying ourselves to get the extra cash. And then we're going to input the data. So 1.55, lay odds is 1.6, the AFL commission is 2.5 at Betfair. And then I'm just going to stake $10. So I'm going to lay this stake, and it's going to give us about a qualifying loss of about minus 40 cents. So we'll go to BetEasy, place our $10 bet on Richmond under our double winnings token. So $10, place bet. Then go over to Betfair, the lay stake that we've just got from here, copy that, and then place the lay stake on Richmond. So if Richmond were to lose, we would lose 40 cents, which isn't too bad. If Richmond were to go on to win, then we would get our back bet back plus our extra winnings. So we would get an extra winnings of $5.50. BetEasy are quite nice as they calculate how much extra you're going to win for you rather than you have to do it yourself. So our overall profit would be our lay profit on the layback calculator, which is 0.41, plus our extra winnings, which is 5.5. So that would work out we would profit $5.09 from this offer.